How you going, people? Man, this is a pretty interesting case, and of course, I can't talk about it freely on YouTube with their tone standards and their anything that doesn't fit their agenda standards. So, basically, a few cops, four, were caught doing things like shaking down passengers, coordinating stops, running drugs for people. Um, Quite a few uh, pretty good crimes, and they're being charged, and nothing's being talked about it because, you know, let's go talk about this on Bitchute, where there's freedom of speech and freedom of information, and I don't have to worry about possibly offending someone and violating YouTube's um, unreasonable um, left-wing standards to push their agenda. So I'll put a link in the description. I'll do a video. I'll actually show the video on what he does to this guy in the hospital. Pretty outrageous. Uh, too outrageous for people on YouTube because they have to be protected. All right, go to the link in the description.